How's it going, everyone? I'm back after a long time. The reason is I've switched to the dark side. I swapped my R8 and lenses for the Sony A6700 and a couple of lenses. Today I'm using the Viltrox 75mm 1.2, going around the usual places. I always seem to start here while I wait for the sun to set. So let's test it out. Not much eventful stuff going on here. And as it can go to 1.2, I will be shooting mostly at 1.2. First impressions, the screen's terrible, but it feels much nicer in the hand than the R8. And obviously the price of the lens is a big factor in this. Ends up at 112mm 1.8 if you were converting it into full frame. Apparently they're thinking about knocking it down and rebuilding it, or redoing it into a pedestrian street, which will probably kill it like it did with Huacheng Bay, the electronics place. The autofocus on this is incredible. What settings do I have it on? I've got it on focus area expand spot, and I hold the AF on button to lock it and then shoot. Whereas on the Canon, I think I had to set up to half press the shutter to focus. Food Street. They've knocked it down and rebuilt it into a bit of a stranger way. So it's a pretty cool shot. Overexposing. This is a classic shot. 限时活动儿杀有送，欢迎您进店选购，同时尔克为国民运动而生。Walk over here. Wouldn't be a POV if I didn't take a picture of a cigarette shop. We love these little police stations, police cars. It's a screensaver for you. I do like this lens. I really wanted a telephoto lens on my R8, but if you want an RF lens, you have to take out a second mortgage. And I don't see the point of going back to EF for slow autofocus. I might have to just stick it on Auto ISO. I've eyed up this shop in front of me. I don't really want to take pictures of some kids, so. Picture, please. My plan is from now on to make one video and post it every 2 weeks, and any more if I can possibly. It does look so flat coming out of camera. I'm hoping that the edits look good. I want someone to walk down this alleyway here. The compression you get is just beautiful. See how the edits turn out after.
翡翠一瓶限时特惠。
No one there though. Stand over here. I should be able to get the bike wheels coming out of this road on the right. A real test of the autofocus. It seems to lock onto the eye in like a split second. That's me done for today. Hit a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.